Hi Mike. So this tenant we have created post release, and I logged in on customer portal. If I go to the transactions and open an invoice, this invoice I just have created. If I try to paint it, I'm getting this message. It's getting generated and will be downloaded shortly. After waiting for some time, it's not invoice is not getting downloaded. When I check the console, I'll do it again. It was showing some error. Let me show it to you on Chrome browser. So this error was displayed in the console. Yeah, that's an issue. Thank you.